Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. I'm done with my route and I'm getting ready to go to Starbucks. They got their new holiday cups out, y'all. And I really like their reusable cup. So I'm gonna go in here and see if they have any of the ones that I like. And as you see, the Starbucks is like over here next to me. I'm not even sure if this thing is even charged, this GoPro. I don't know. But it was something else I wanted to tell y'all and I just completely forgot. So yeah, I'm finna go up in here real quick and see which cups they have. I really need a new clear cup. Let me take y'all up. Okay, let's go. First I gotta turn the car off. And pan y'all down. Okay, let's go in here. As you see, Starbucks. Cute. That's cute. These ain't the ones I really want, though. Oh, okay, wait a minute. This. Okay. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but I'm debating between this one as the red and green cups, 24 ounce, or this one. And these are 16 ounce cups. Looks like that. The lighting is horrible in here. Let's pay. Gotta transfer money. This lighting actually don't look bad. Well, this way. The new drinks. And it's broke up. Yeah, I can't even see it. It's not coming in because of lighting.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Yes, ma'am. Are these the same ones? These the only two?
I got a last one.
I know.
I sold about 6 of these so far today.
Really?
Yep.
Did y'all get the black? Oh, these right here. How much are these?
Those are $3.
Let me get one of
And
these
if you
too.
order a holiday drink today, while we still have them, you get one of these for free.
They come with what kind of lids? The regular plastic lids?
Yeah.
Okay, well then I'll just get a drink. Might as well.
And that will get 50 cents off after 3 through the holidays of the Grande holiday drink. If you bring your red cup with you.
Let me get the caramel brulee
Okay.
latte.
What size do you want? It can be any size.
Oh,
I'm just going to give you the cup.
okay, that's fine. I just take the smallest one.
Small
Yes.
caramel brulee.
Yes, please.
All right. And your name, please?
KP.
All right, 23.48. Go right here. I said Casey. I got your name wrong. When they make your drink, I'm sorry.
You said what? I'm sorry.
I said I put it down as Katie.
KD.
Your name is Kim.
Yeah, my name is Kim.
You go by Katie or no?
It's actually KP.
Oh, KP. Okay, they're gonna call your drink as KT.
KD. Okay, that's fine. And then you say it's a 50-cent discount when I use that card?
After 3 o'clock.
After 3 o'clock.
All during the holidays.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
So when you're out exhausted from shopping, come here.
Right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Katie.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you.
You have a nice day.
You do the same. Okay, got the drink.
I like baking
Okay, here we go, y'all. Got the drink. Now I'm on my way back to the car. I really didn't want no drink, but I got the drink because you get this little free refill cup. For the I was gonna buy a refill cup, but because when you get a drink, you get the cup free. So I just decided to just go ahead and buy a drink, which is the, what did I get? Caramel brulee latte. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place. Okay, y'all. Like I said, I got the caramel brulee latte, which is a holiday drink. Let me mount y'all back up real quick. Hold on, y'all. There you go. There we go. There we go. Hey, y'all. Now I'm acting silly. But yeah, I got that drink. I got, when you order a holiday drink, you get this free cup, which is a reusable cup. And like I said, I was going in there to buy reusable cups anyway. And I think this is the 12-ounce cup. I think this is a 12-ounce cup, I believe. And every time you go to Starbucks and you use this cup, you get 50 cents off of your drink. So if y'all going to Starbucks and you're going to buy a drink, you might as well get the cup. Like I said, I was going to buy the cups anyway. Then also, I bought these cups, these reusable cups. These are the holiday cups. I think it was last year or early part in the summer, I believe, or spring, they came out with these same cups that were changeable. They changed colors, and they sold out super fast. I could not get my hands on those cups for nothing in the world. So I decided to just get these, and these are the 24 ounce. This is 5 24-ounce cups with the straws. Let's see, and lids, straws and lids. Here we go. Green, red, blue, orange, and another red. Maybe this is supposed to be pink. I don't know. Pink and red, maybe? I don't know. But that's just what it is. And then the cups. This is what the cups look like. You got green, red, blue, orange, and then another red one. And they all say different things, so yeah. And it comes with the same color straws, as you see. I'm happy with that because I most definitely use these cups. Like on my bus, this is what I tend to use when I'm on my route, or even just at home. Yeah, so I got those. I'm happy about that. And I think, let me see. Actually, I thought she charged me for this cup. That's what I thought. I thought she charged me for this cup, but she actually didn't. I got this in a tall, which is the smallest size you could get, and then I got the cup free, which was a super good deal for me. Because the other cups that I had picked up, those were $3.50. And then the ones that's just like this is $2. So to get a drink and a free cup, good deal. And this is the caramel brulee latte. Yum. So I'm gonna get into this drink. Yeah, and I'm gonna head home. I didn't even say this in the beginning. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, make sure you watch the entire video. It helps my channel when you subscribe, thumbs up, comment at the bottom. That really helps help my channel. Also, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to my OG subscribers, people who've been with me from day one, ride or dies. Thank you for constantly coming back and checking me out and checking out my videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you. And I might come back, y'all. I'm just saying this because I don't think I said it in the very beginning. So, and hey, those cups that I just bought, those Starbucks reusable cups I just bought, why they going for 100? Sorry, I'm lying now. I checked them on eBay. You know they selling for $45. Now I did not know the changeable color ones was going pretty high, but but I did not know that these cups were going for like $10 a cup. Now I got 6. Was it 6 or 5? I think it's 5, and I paid $17 for those cups, and they selling them for $10 each plus shipping. No, that was just one person. Another person had it for $19 a cup, but I think that was shipping included. I couldn't believe it. And I should have got both of them. And if you got both sets, remember I showed 2. I showed the big ones, the 24-ounce ones, and then they had the other ones, which was 12 or 16 ounces. I don't know. I show it in the earlier clip. But you could get both of those for $85. I'm like, oh my God. These people out here making it. I'm telling you, they making it money. I need to be doing that. I need to be on that. I need to be flipping. That's what I need to be doing. I need to be flipping. And I already know these cups is going to be in high demand because, you know, they sell out so fast. I keep forgetting that I be screaming, I be hollering, and I need to stop doing that because clearly y'all can't hear me. It's just that I be thinking I'm not talking loud enough to be heard, you know, through the GoPro. So like I to work, do my route, and then go home, come back home. And this lipstick got my lips feeling like extra dry, and I hate that. That's why I keep licking them, because my lips feel dry. But it's because I'm wearing a matte lipstick, and I think this scent is the retro. I think it's retro matte, I believe. I think I'm gonna put my sunglasses on. Oh no, it's just matte. But I think this is their first formula. MAC has, years ago, MAC has switched up their formula where they're matte. It was still matte, but it was more like moisturizing. It wasn't as dry feeling as this